Rate coefficients, adjustments and diagnostics methods for N and H atom densities in R, AR, He, N2, H2 afterglows, insights from TALIF and OES measurements. By A. Ricard, J. Amorim and J. P. Sarret. It is deduced from recent results obtained in the Laplace lab. Concerning the 2-photon laser-induced fluorescence measurements, TALIF, of N and H atoms densities in N2, H2 afterglows that the rate coefficient of the N plus H plus M, N2 AR, NH plus M, N2 AR, reaction chosen in chapters 2, 4 and 13 of the previous books, A. Ricard, Plasmas Afterglows with N2 for Surface Treatments. Editions 1 to 3, Book P 2021-23, must be divided by 50 for M is equal to N2 and by 20 for M is equal to AR. This result confirms the assumed rate coefficient value of 10 to the power minus 33 cm6s1 for M is equal to N2 given by Gordietz, B. Gordietz, C.M. Ferreira, M.J. Pinheiro and A. Ricard, Plasma Sources SCI. Technol. 7, 1998, 363. The concerned chapters of the previous BPI book have been corrected with these new data. It also discussed two methods to obtain the N plus N fraction of the N plus N recombination producing the N2, B11, radiative state. Conducting in a variation by a factor comprised between 1 and 1.4 on the previous N and H atoms densities. It has been chosen a rate coefficient for the N plus H plus M, N2 AR, NH plus M, N2 AR, reaction of 1 to 3, 10 to the power minus 33 cm6s1 for M is equal to N2 AR. The gamma destruction probability on the quartz tube wall was found to be 510 to the power minus 3, about 10 times higher than for N atoms. It was deduced a dissociation of about 50% H2 in N to 0.1% H2 and 100% in AR 2% N to 0.1% H2 early afterglows, time 10 to the power minus 3 s, for gas pressure in the 4 to 8 torr range.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe for watch more scientific research video.